While the PBL Finals is still currently ongoing, the battle for the crown in the Spiker Surf Open Conference just wrapped. And the champions, well, once again, no-brainer, it's the Cignal HD Spikers, but what a series.
One more time.
Sige, Coach. Pwede.
One more time. Another one.
Another one. Yan.
The champs are with us in the studio. We have with us Cignal head coach Dexter Clamore, along with finals MVP Steven Rotter, star spiker Jao Umandal, and best libero Vince Lorenzo. Good evening and welcome back.
Oo. Parang lagi kayo nag-guess kasi Vince Bin champion.
Play-by-play.
And every time, appear ka muna bago mag-start.
Yes.
Musuki na kayo sa show.
Oo. Dumadami championships eh. Well, congratulations.
Congratulations. First of all, what does this championship... You've had so many.
Yes.
So many with Cignal. So, I mean, is this just another one? Is it... Are you just used to it at this point? Does it get more special by the championship? It's such a, you know, this entire program. You guys fought so hard this conference and this final series. Can you take us through what you guys went through this entire conference?
I guess siguro this means we have built a legacy na whatever happens, kukuhanin talaga namin yung finals. Kukuhanin namin talaga yung championship. And when it comes to program, actually, in my career siguro it tested my coaching system, diba? Yung na kahit anong mangyari dapat makuha namin yung championship. So medyo mahirap talaga yung pinagdaanan namin this season kasi nga hindi maraming beses na nanalo sila this conference.
Yes.
Pero mas nakuha namin yung championship.
Yun yung importante doon.
Yes.
Kahit hindi ka nanalo sa eliminations, sa semis, you won when it mattered most.
Yes.
12 championships, by the way, yes. Si Coach Dex, 12 championships. 8 as head coach for Cignal, 1 as a player, 3 as assistant coach. Yes. And Coach, mamaya, dadaanan natin kasi we're trying to make it really quick here, but trying to maximize everything.
Yes.
Ito yung pinakamasarap and pinakamahirap na championship among all his titles. But I'll go to Jao really quick. Jao, we mentioned hindi kayo nanalo, di ba, against Chris Cross, ng Elims, against semis. Ano nagbago pagdating ng finals?
Siguro yung finals, mas nagigil lang kami lumaban talaga na sinasabi namin na elimination, di kami manalo, semis, di kami manalo. Pero in the finals, ibang usapan na. Iba na yung mindset namin, iba na yung nasa loob namin, na parang gagawin na namin yung best namin. Wala nang dapat tipirin, wala nang dapat na gumugulo sa isip. Talagang focus lang namin, is manalo kami ng finals.
Right, Steven, finals MVP, best opposite spiker, and I'm sure that's just the icing on the cake because you've had quite a journey. Can you take us through, you know, your journey coming from your ankle injury back in the Invitational Conference and all the way ultimately leading you to these awards?
Yeah, it was a roller coaster of a journey, injuring myself before the season even started. Didn't have a big role because I'm recovering from my injury. So it was definitely mentally draining for me. It made me want to quit sometimes, but Coach Dexter just told me that if I'm able to recover, that next conference would be my time, my redemption tour in a way. So I always had this goal of wanting to strive for something like MVP. So as soon as I won Player of the Game, I told myself that this is something I'm gonna accomplish. Doesn't matter how I get there, as long as I get there. So I've worked really hard and had a coaching staff and teammates, management that just never gave up on me as when I gave up on myself. So just to have that support was really ensuring and gave me so much confidence in myself. And as you can see there, I played to my fullest potential, and it was amazing.
Championship mentality.
Go
There
to
you
Vince,
go.
yeah. Kasi,
Vince.
yeah.
Okay, well, best libero. Congratulations, because para ka lang namang pader dun sa likod, no? But Cignal really does pride itself on its floor defense, diba? That's something you guys really work on. What do you think sets your team apart pagdating sa aspect na to?
It is something po talaga na trinabaho namin kasi po nag-end po yung eliminations na second to the last po kami sa digging skills ranking po namin. And nung nakapasok na po kami sa semis, going to finals, mas nag-focus po kami sa defense. And happily naman po na apply namin to and we got the championship po.
Mukha naman, kasi best libero.
Pati pangatlo mo na to. Pangatlo, I think this is your third, di ba? Si Steven, this is back-to-back. Pangatlo na rin ni Jao. And we've mentioned how many championships Coach Dex has. Repeatedly as well. Pero sabi mo, ito pinakamasarap, pinakamahirap. Saan mo ilalagay ito? Ito na ba yung, among all your championships, you might say, ito yung pinaka-rewarding?
Yes.
Bakit?
Siyempre, hindi kami nanalo ng elimination round to semifinal.
Our first time kayo naging underdog
Yes.
of sorts.
Ito yung conference na naramdaman talaga namin na sobrang underdog kami. And ang dami nag-doubt. Even us, kaming coaches, parang may tatawid ba namin to. So, siguro yun lang. Sobrang saya kasi iba yung pagkapanalo talaga namin.
You also, Steven, where do you rank this championship?
It's definitely great to be the underdog and win it. Most of the time, Signal is considered just the one who just takes over the league. So for us to be underdogs and have that that kind of win is just I can't ask for a better win.
Yeah, I can see it in your smile. Look at that, ear to ear,
I know,
ear
he's so
happiness.
happy. I'm just happy to be here.
Make sure Juanita Gregorio takes care of you. Your team manager gives you a good bonus, finals MVP, and another championship. Go ahead, good
Joe.
job.
Para sa'yo, okay, syempre maraming tao na sumusuporta. So many people were there along with Signal throughout this whole that roller coaster ride. For you, what was the best part of watching all those fans just be there for all of you?
Bukod sa bench namin, yung fans namin na tumusuporta sa amin since day one talaga na may laro kami. Talagang tutulungan nila kami cheer, tutulungan nila kami yung iangat ang bawat isa sa amin. Siyempre, sa amin, nabubus yung moral namin na once na nakaka-point kami, may mga taong sumusuporta sa amin pa. Kailangan namin galingan pa na parang, hindi lang para sa amin, para sa mga nanonood sa naniniwala sa amin na kailangan namin manalo.
Coach, Signal has been a dominant force. We know Chris Cross is a very tough team as well. Doon, ang dami din napakalalim ng roster na yun, from top to bottom as well. Pero kayo, ano yung next for you? Ano yung next goals ninyo for the team moving forward?
Definitely, we will defend the crown. Yun lang naman pagkatrabahuhan ulit namin. Kumaga, itong conference na to, marami talagang injuries, marami talaga kami pinagdaanan. So siguro, coming into the next conference, we will work harder, ipiprepare talaga namin yung sarili namin physically, mentally, emotionally, yung well-being talaga ng bawat isa para talagang makuha ulit namin yung title. Kasi ang dami talagang, lahat ng teams talagang nagpapalakas. Yung gustong-gusto talaga kami talunin. So hindi kami magsasawa na manalo at hindi kami magsasawa na paghandaan every conference.
Pangilang goal is to beat Signal or the other teams. Alam ko our last question check is supposedly for Jao to give the message. Pero kanina, si Vince kasi was practicing to be, he was reading our lines. Welcome back sa Play-by-Play. So, gusto mo ikaw na magano. Dahil,
Kaya ka.
he was practicing kanina. Sabi niya, welcome back, you're watching Play-by-Play. Sige Vince, go ahead, go. This is your moment, time to shine.
Message.
Go.
Sa mga fans po namin, nagpapasalamat po ang buong Signal team sa inyo dahil sa support ninyo sa amin and sinamahan niyo po kami hanggang matapos yung season.
Tapos sabihin mo, I'm Vince Lorenzo. Thank you for watching Play-by-Play. Go.
I am Vince Lorenzo. Thank you for watching Play-by-Play.
Thank you once again, Jack. Go.
Thank you so much, Signal head coach Dexter Camor, along with finals MVP Steven Rotter, star spiker Jao Mandal, and best libero Vince Lorenzo.
Future sports anchor.